inside.
Yeah, just like the other side.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, yeah. So this is 29, 29. So we have right now a total of 40, like 41. Let's say 41. So you have half an inch left. So since this is 36. Whew. So since we have 41 inches, but we only want 36 and a half, that is 41.5 minus 36, so we have 5 inches, 2.5 on each. Okay, so we go 2.5 inches on each side inwards.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes. Yeah, I'm accounting for the hinges, so we have like an extra half inch for the opening and closing, I think. So 29 plus 2.5 is 31.5. So I go now to 31.5. Uh-huh.
You're doing great.
Uh-huh. And if I do 31.5 here as well, 31.5.
We call this catio culture, chat.
Oh, this is so banana. This is like really bad.
Catio lifestyle.
This is like really bad. I'd rather banana like this. $31.5. Can you do yours on 31.5 at the top as well? Both of them?
You want me to mark?
Yeah, put this one to 31.5. Inwards in between, so we have like the space 31.5.
All right, 31.5. Okay. Where's So
it looks about right. Done it. It was 1964 when it was standardized to 1.5 inches from an assumed 2 inches. So when did that happen? When did a 2x4 turn into a 1.5?
Probably when Big Lumber decided they wanted to save money.
Wait, is this also a 3.5? Oh my god. A 2x4 is actually a 1.5 by 3.5. How?
I found that out when I was making the door to my shed.
Yeah.
And I was tuning out all of your math, so I didn't even think to tell you this.
That is like...
Okay, so 31.5.
Yes, I want you to
on the outside of 31.5?
What, inside?
Inside? Gotcha. Okay, so inside of 31.5 is going to be right here.
And I'm 31.5. So, okay.
Good job.
Looks like bullshit to me. Why is everything so crooked? Because this one isn't correct yet. This one also needs to be 31.5.
Okay.
And then it's probably going to make sense. And then we reassess the situation. Yep. Did they have a coffee break yet? No. So, first of all, Cyr and I are not getting paid. The person that contracted us didn't get us any water, no donuts, no coffee, no nothing. She's like a cat lady. She's very sick.
Okay, inside of 35.1?
I forgot. I do it for love.
Are you at 35.1 over there?
Cyr does it for free. What?
Are you at 35.1?
35.1. 35.1. Hold on. What would you do for love?
Oh. I would not do that. But I can't do that. I will do anything for love, but I won't do this. I won't do that. Okay.
I'll do anything for love. Anything you've been dreaming of. This motherfucker is so banana, it's actually like devastating.
It looks like we're in serious shit.
I feel totally lost.
And we're asking for help. It's only because being with you is up in my ass. Could I ever believe such a perfect surprise? I keep asking myself, wondering how. I keep closing my eyes, but I can't block you out. I want to fly to a place where it's just you and me. Yep. Nobody else, so we can be free.
All the things she said, all the things she said.
You were supposed to do the echo of that, but you didn't do it. So. Nobody else, so we can be free.
Nobody else, so we can be free.
Okay, now bring it back to work.
Look at this from here. Look how banana this is. So I think we have established that this distance is okay, correct?
This shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A, yes. It's bananas. Okay.
Sorry, I'm like so fucking locked in.
I know.
CYR.
Arthur,
I think.
we all die.
Yeah.
Why even do this?
Because it's like we have to find reason in the time that we have here.
And the reason is you.
Thank you. This is what we do, Cyr.
Okay.
The outside we can like attach anyways already. So
what's so banana about all this?
Well, these are super banana, but we'll put like things in between here and there, obviously. So then it's gonna like be squared up, and it's gonna stay squared up. Yo. I found a reason for me.
Do you want me to go tell that neighbor to stop mowing grass?
Yeah, like how dare they mow, like, can they not tell that we are on a set
alert,
right now?
Streamer alert. Entertainment. High quality entertainment. Please turn that off. Silence, please, or get an electric one.
That's right.
Streamer's working hard over here.
That's right. All the things she said, all the things she said.
Running through my head, all the things she said. This is not enough. This.
Oh yeah. You see that? This bit kind of like has experienced life a little bit.
Do you know what else what bit has experienced life a little bit?
Which one?
This drill bit that's rusted.
Is it?
You can stand that. You can use a little bit of sauce and clean that bad boy up.
Oh my god, things are rusting in here.
Well, I'm assuming it stayed on the ladder and it rained.
Exclamation mark wish list.
These rookies, you get them out here and they're rusting up the drill bits. They're soaking up the wood. They're you know, they're getting it all wet. You know.
It's whatever. We work with rusty tools today.
It's fine. It's not going to change. If anything, it adds more friction.
Right.
When you put the bit in.
That's right. Shit. Cyr. Oh, wait, what happened? Oh my god, it sounded so weird. Did you hear that?
Hey, it's okay.
Square up. Cuh. Oh my god, imagine I had like a real like square up. Oh, this is good though. This is good. This is good.
I think that looks pretty good actually.
Phenomenal.
Feel me now.
I'm in serious shit. I feel totally lost. I keep asking myself, it's only because. What the fuck? What did I tell you, Cyr? Hold the fucking flashlight. Sorry. Nice.
You might be the greatest man.
Yo.
Yeah, when are we getting a Cyr plus Arthur Lego stream?
Lego?
You do Legos?
I love Legos. To be fair, the Lego store in New York, however, bro.
It's big.
Yeah.
Were you there when that big windstorm happened? I saw it on like a bunch of.
On television?
No, I don't watch television. But it was like a big windstorm hit New York, and New Yorkers didn't know what to do. They were freaking out. What?
No, well, it was super rainy actually when Julia and I were in New York. That's where she lost all consciousness.